Hello, world. Welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance. Abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion. From good to great, essential tools for a kitchen to aid in living by abundance. Your kitchen is more than just a space for preparing meals. It's the heart of your home where nourishment and connection come to life. A well-equipped kitchen can transform your cooking experience from a mundane task into an inspiring and abundant journey. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a feast, having the right tools at your fingertips makes all the difference. A prosperous kitchen isn't about extravagance. It's about choosing tools that enhance efficiency, creativity, and joy in cooking. With the right equipment, you can prepare wholesome meals, reduce waste, and even save time, allowing you to focus on other areas of abundant living. Let's explore 20 essential tools every prosperous kitchen should have and how they can elevate your culinary experience.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
1. High-quality chef's knife. A chef's knife is the heart of every kitchen, offering versatility and precision for a variety of tasks. From chopping vegetables to slicing meats, a sharp, well-made chef's knife can save you time and effort. Look for a knife with a high-carbon stainless steel blade and an ergonomic handle for comfort and durability. Proper maintenance, such as regular sharpening and careful cleaning, extends its lifespan and ensures consistent performance. A quality knife not only makes cooking easier, but also inspires confidence and enjoyment in meal preparation. 2. Cutting boards. Cutting boards are essential for maintaining hygiene and protecting your countertops. Having separate boards for different purposes, like one for raw meats and another for fruits and vegetables, prevents cross-contamination. Choose sturdy materials such as bamboo, wood, or plastic, ensuring they are easy to clean and durable. Wooden boards are gentle on knife blades and add a natural aesthetic to your kitchen. A well-maintained cutting board simplifies meal prep and keeps your kitchen sanitary and efficient. 3rd, blender. A blender is an indispensable tool for creating smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Opt for a high-speed blender with multiple settings to handle a variety of tasks, from crushing ice to pureeing soft ingredients. This multitasking appliance promotes healthy living by making it easy to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet. Blenders with easy-to-clean designs save time and effort, encouraging frequent use. A powerful blender supports your journey toward an abundant lifestyle by enhancing your culinary creativity. 4th, cast iron skillet. A cast iron skillet is a timeless tool with unmatched versatility. Its ability to retain and evenly distribute heat makes it ideal for tasks like frying, searing, and baking. With proper seasoning, it becomes naturally non-stick and develops a rich patina that enhances flavor. Cast iron skillets are incredibly durable and can last for generations with the right care. They're perfect for creating hearty, wholesome dishes that symbolize abundance and comfort. 5. Non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware is a game changer for cooking delicate foods like eggs, pancakes, or fish. High-quality non-stick pans reduce the need for excessive oil, promoting healthier cooking. Look for cookware that is free from harmful chemicals such as PFOA for safe, sustainable use. These pans are easy to clean, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Non-stick cookware helps streamline your cooking process, giving you more time to focus on enjoying your meals. 6. Dutch oven. A Dutch oven is a heavy-duty kitchen staple perfect for slow-cooked meals, soups, and even baking bread. Its ability to retain and distribute heat evenly makes it invaluable for cooking dishes that require precision and depth of flavor. Dutch ovens come in a variety of sizes and materials, such as enameled cast iron, offering durability and ease of use. Their versatility makes them an essential tool for creating comforting, abundant meals. A Dutch oven is not just cookware, it's an investment in hearty, delicious family meals. 7. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are the backbone of successful recipes, particularly in baking. Invest in a reliable set of measuring cups and spoons made from durable materials like stainless steel. They make following recipes simpler and help ensure consistency in your cooking. Having separate sets for dry and liquid ingredients can enhance precision and reduce mess. These tools encourage balance and precision, essential for fostering an abundant approach to cooking. 8. Food processor. A food processor is a multitasking marvel that simplifies complex kitchen tasks. It chops, slices, grates, and even kneads dough, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Choose a model with multiple attachments to expand its functionality. A food processor can save you significant time during meal prep, especially for dishes requiring finely chopped or pureed ingredients. This tool fosters creativity and efficiency, making it easier to prepare wholesome, elaborate meals. 9. Immersion blender. An immersion blender is a compact, versatile tool perfect for blending soups, sauces, and purees directly in the pot. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while its simplicity eliminates the need for transferring hot liquids to a traditional blender. Look for one with multiple speed settings and detachable blades for easy cleaning. Immersion blenders create smooth textures effortlessly, adding a professional touch to your dishes. They're a must-have for convenient, mess-free meal preparation. 10th, mixing bowls. Mixing bowls are fundamental for combining ingredients, marinating foods, and even serving. Choose a set of bowls in varying sizes made from durable materials like stainless steel or tempered glass. Nesting designs save space and keep your kitchen organized. These versatile bowls streamline cooking tasks and add functionality to your kitchen. Investing in a quality set ensures they remain a reliable tool for years. 11th, kitchen scale. A kitchen scale is a precision tool that ensures accuracy in measurements, particularly in baking and portion control. Digital scales with tare functions make it easy to measure multiple ingredients in one container, reducing mess and waste. They help maintain balance in your recipes and support a health-conscious lifestyle. A kitchen scale is a small but impactful tool that promotes efficiency and consistency in cooking. 12th, instant read thermometer. An instant read thermometer is essential for achieving perfectly cooked meats, baked goods, and other dishes. It ensures food safety by confirming that items reach the correct internal temperature. Choose a thermometer with a quick response time and an easy-to-read display. This tool takes the guesswork out of cooking, giving you confidence and precision. An instant read thermometer is invaluable for elevating the quality of your meals. 13th, mandolin slicer. A mandolin slicer is a valuable tool for achieving uniform, professional quality slices of vegetables and fruits. It simplifies creating thin slices for salads, gratins, or chips, saving you time and effort. Look for a mandolin with adjustable thickness settings and a secure handguard for safety. This tool adds precision and creativity to your cooking, enabling you to elevate your presentations and recipes. A mandolin slicer is particularly useful for anyone looking to experiment with vibrant, visually appealing dishes. 14th, spice grinder. A spice grinder allows you to unlock the full flavor potential of whole spices. Freshly ground spices are more aromatic and potent, adding depth and richness to your meals. Choose a grinder with durable blades and an easy-to-clean design. Using a spice grinder enables you to create custom spice blends tailored to your taste, enhancing your culinary creativity. This tool is essential for transforming everyday dishes into gourmet creations. 15. Silicone baking mats. Silicone baking mats are eco-friendly alternatives to parchment paper, providing a reusable non-stick surface for baking and roasting. They eliminate the need for greasing trays, promoting healthier cooking and easier cleanup. Use them for cookies, roasted vegetables, or kneading dough without worrying about sticking. Silicone mats are heat resistant and versatile, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. They simplify your baking process while reducing waste and saving money. 16th rolling pin. A rolling pin is indispensable for baking tasks, from rolling out pie crust to shaping homemade pasta. Choose a rolling pin that feels comfortable in your hands, whether it's a classic wooden pin or a modern tapered design. This tool supports precision and consistency, ensuring even thickness for dough. A rolling pin connects you to the tradition of homemade cooking, adding a sense of craftsmanship to your kitchen. It's a simple yet powerful tool for creating beautiful, abundant baked goods. 17th colander. A sturdy colander is essential for draining pasta, rinsing produce, and washing grains. Look for one with a stable base and durable handles for ease of use. Stainless steel or heat-resistant plastic options offer durability and versatility. A colander simplifies both preparation and cleanup, making your kitchen tasks more efficient. It's a versatile tool that plays a crucial role in maintaining a clean and organized cooking process. 18. Slow cooker or instant pot. A slow cooker or instant pot is a game changer for busy households, offering convenience and versatility. Slow cookers are perfect for hearty soups, stews, and casseroles, while instant pots can handle pressure cooking, steaming, and even yogurt making. These tools let you prepare nourishing meals with minimal effort, freeing up time for other activities. Their ability to cook large quantities makes them ideal for meal prepping or feeding a family. A slow cooker or instant pot embodies the essence of living by abundance, combining ease and efficiency. 19th utensil set. A comprehensive utensil set ensures you have the right tools for every cooking task. Look for a set that includes essentials like a spatula, whisk, tongs, and ladle, made from heat-resistant materials such as silicone or stainless steel. Organized utensils keep your kitchen functional and stress-free, making meal prep smoother and more enjoyable. High-quality utensils enhance your cooking experience and encourage creativity in the kitchen. A well-rounded set is a cornerstone of an abundant, efficient kitchen. 20. Reusable storage containers. Reusable storage containers are invaluable for keeping leftovers fresh and reducing food waste. Choose BPA-free, microwave-safe options in a variety of sizes to suit different needs. Transparent containers make it easy to identify contents, keeping your fridge and pantry organized. These containers support eco-friendly habits and help you save money by extending the shelf life of your food. They're an essential part of an abundant kitchen, promoting sustainability and efficiency. Creating a kitchen equipped with essential tools is more than just about convenience. It's about cultivating a space where abundance thrives. Each tool serves as a stepping stone toward fostering creativity, efficiency, and joy in your culinary adventures. When your kitchen is well equipped, cooking becomes less of a chore and more of a meaningful, fulfilling experience. Living by abundance starts with intentional choices, and your kitchen is the perfect place to begin. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie with your blender, crafting a family meal in your Dutch oven, or baking a delicious treat with your rolling pin, these tools make every task more enjoyable and rewarding. They save time, enhance your skills, and help you create nourishing meals that feed both body and soul. Remember, investing in quality, functionality, and sustainability for your kitchen isn't just about the tools. It's about building a foundation for a lifestyle that celebrates prosperity, health, and connection. As you bring these essential tools into your kitchen, you're not just upgrading your space. You're transforming it into a hub of creativity, abundance, and joy. So, take stock of your kitchen and start building a collection of tools that empower you for living by abundance every day. With these essentials in place, your kitchen will become a place where memories are made, flavors come to life, and the art of living by abundance is celebrated. Let the transformation begin. Your abundant kitchen awaits. Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for living by abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle, a powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. A 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset. 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you. 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. Boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your ultimate bundle and upgrade your journey to living by abundance today.
Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance. You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com. See you soon and keep living by abundance.